Advanced accounting, fourth chapter, profit period incorporation. Under this, we have a long question, sir. Long questions today we are going to start, sir. Long question. Under that, Fast Grow Limited. Sir, company name is Fast Grow Limited. In this Fast Grow Limited, profit and loss statement from the year ended is 31st March 2002. Under this, before entering into the problem, we will do the working notes first, because of without doing the working notes we can't prepare this profit and loss account, sir. Because of we need to know what is sales ratio and what is time ratio. It is mandatory, sir. So under this question already they are given, they are incurring the businesses 1st April 2001. So business starts from 1st April, but they cannot run the business from 1st April. So they'll incorporate, in the sense they'll completely start the business from 1st April 2001. So in this 1st August to 2001, before 1st August to April to August, how many months are there? First April, May, June, July, August. So how many months are there? August we cannot count, because of from 1st August they are started. So these are 4 months. So these 4 months are treated as pre-incorporation period is 4 months. After these 4 months, now we will calculate it as post-incorporation is from 1st August to 31st of March. So how many months are there? August, September, October, November, December, January, February, March. So how many months are there? Completely 8 months. So these 8 months are treated as post incorporation period. It is 8 months. So the time ratio is 4:8. The 4:8 are 1:2. Sir, how will you get the 1:2? 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. So it is 1:2. After this, pre-incorporation of sales. So we will get the time ratio. Of time ratio, we will calculate the sales ratio. Sales ratio already given in the question. Pre-incorporation sales is 2 lakhs and post-incorporation sales is 8 lakhs. So the 5 zeros are same, 5 zeros are same. So we are deducting as 5 zeros and 5 zeros. The remaining is 2 and 8. So sales ratio is 2:8 or 1:4. Means 1:4 in the sense 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8. So like that we will get. After this, completion of sales ratio, will come to the problem. Sir, in this problem, in the final examinations, you don't need to write the total. Sir, it is the first problem, but you have to try to understand clearly. We are going to start this complete brief description problem. Under this brief description problem, on here, the format is particulars, basics, pre-incorporation, post-incorporation, and total. If you write the total is also good, but your understanding purpose, I am going to write the total. Otherwise, you don't need to write any total on here. So, what is the amounts which we are going to take? So, gross profit is under sales ratio. So, why you will take at this sales ratio under the gross profit? Gross profit, sales ratio means already it is depends upon the profits. Profits, how we will get the profits? How much the sales is there? Under that sales only we will get the profits. So how much the profit under the sales ratio? 2:8. So pre-incorporation is 40,000 and post-incorporation is 1,60,000. The total is 2 lakhs. After this, expenses. Sir, in here in profit and loss account, in your first semester you have to done the final accounts. Under the final accounts, profit and loss account is also be there. So like that, it is also the same similar for that. And now after completion of this profits, we will make it total as A. A is profits are 40,000, 1,60,000 and 2 lakhs. Come to the point of expenses. Salaries. Salaries is based on the time. If the sales will come or sales could not become, the worker will come to your company and they will do the work, means you get the payment. So that is time ratio is 4:8, and then we are already find out is 4:8. So the amount is actually the salaries are 40,000, but it's 40,000. It's a pre-incorporation is 13,333 and post-incorporation is 26,667. After this, the financial cost. The financial cost we will do under the working notes, sir. Sir, without working notes also we have to make it prepare on the format also. But try to understand clearly. So that is only the reason we have to prepare that working notes. Under that working notes, financial cost is the debenture interest on only post directly. We have to post the debenture interest and interest on vendor up to 30 June. 30 June they are going to pay the interest. So we have to write the date also. Up to 30 June 2001, only pre-incorporation is 10,000. Sir, why will take as only pre-incorporation? Actually, this interest amount is going to calculate in the pre and post. But why we are going to take it 10,000 on pre-incorporation? Because of our business starts from here only. Our 4 months are waste. So August we are start the business. So that is only the reason before starting the business this interest is there. So that is the reason we are going to take as a pre-incorporation 10,000. So make it total as 10,000 and 6,000. So this comes under format. So financial cost is under working notes 10,000, 6,000, total 16,000. After this depreciation. So sir, depreciation also important. Depreciation always be on the sales ratio because of when we are going to purchase any product. Under that product, today we are going to purchase. Example, today we are going to purchase a cell phone. Cell phone value today we are purchasing the cell phone under 80,000. Tomorrow I want to sold this cell phone in the market. So the cost of the cell phone is 80,000 only, or it may be decreased. Obviously, the machinery value is decreased. So that is the reason depreciation value is going to decrease as 6,667 and 13,333. So total depreciation value is 20,000 and 20,000 as per the time ratio we are divided. So it is the values of 6,667 and 13,333. After this, other expenses. The other expenses, the format should be elaborated. So that is only the reason we are going to prepare under the working notes. General expenses are 10,000. Carriage inwards are 15,000, advertisement is 20,000, director's fees are 4,000, audit fees are 5,000. So thus are as per the schedule, time ratio, sales ratio, only posting and direct time ratio. As per this ratios I am going to calculate it and that is going to post under the format. So under working notes 12,000, 42,000 and 54,000 and make it total only expenditure. And sometimes major students are doing the mistake. Which type of mistake? They are going to calculate it complete an year, but that is wrong. So just we have calculated only expenses. Only expenses are 42,000 and only expenses are 88,000 and only expenses are 1,30,000. After this 40,000 minus 42,000 an year, A minus B. By your understanding purpose, I am going to write. I will give as A and B. A minus B. A minus B means profit minus loss. So what is the profit? Here it is the 40,000 and here it is the loss is 2,000. So we will write as 2,000 and profit is 1,60,000 and loss is 88,000. So it is 72,000 and the total is 2 lakhs and minus 1,30,000. It is totally 70,000 and after completion of you will get the net profit. So it is only the answer, sir. By understanding purpose, I am going to write a small note. What is the note? Audit fees is 5,000 is appointed based on the time ratio. Assume that the audit is made from the whole year. So audit always make for whole year, not by the pre and not by the post, because of auditor can maintain all the accounts. And this is a first long problem under profit period to incorporation.